Good morning, and welcome to the Perivis Brief, where we bring you the key corporate updates that matter in just a few minutes. Please note that this is AI-generated content and may contain factual inaccuracies. Always consult original data before making investment decisions. We will take you through the key corporate news, but before that, a word from our price action analyst.
Here is a quick look at yesterday's market action. The broader market moved up just over 0.5%, with notable activity in select sectors and stocks. Capital goods led sectoral gains, up nearly 1%. BEML surged over 15% on volumes 16 times its daily average. GE Vernova, T&D, and IT Decementation also posted double-digit gains, while Hitachi Energy declined nearly 5%. The chemical sector rose almost 1%. Camlin Fine advanced nearly 16% on strong volumes, with Linde India and Finolex Industries also gaining. Akzo Nobel fell more than 3%. In autos, Balkrishna Industries dropped over 6% on high volumes. Subros hit a new high, rising more than 9%. Healthcare stocks were active. Shilpa Medicare gained nearly 14%, and Emcure Pharma rose over 9%, both on strong volumes. Hikal and Unichem Labs were among the session's notable decliners. In consumer staples, Gillette India advanced more than 7%, while Som Distilleries and MedPlus Health reached new 52-week highs. Commercial and professional services underperformed, with Team Lee Services down nearly 6%. Several stocks hit 52-week highs, including Bharat Electronics, HDFC AMC, Max Financial, and MRF. Overall, the session saw concentrated, high-volume moves in capital goods and chemicals, with several stocks reaching new technical milestones. That is it from the price action desk. Now back to the main segment.
Now let us dive into today's key corporate news. Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals signed a contract valued at approximately 200 million euros with a global pharmaceutical company, with supplies expected to begin in 2027 and has operationalized a new injectable facility. In pharma and chemicals, Aurobindo Pharma announced a share buyback at up to 1,460 rupees per share. Beta Crop Science reported fourth quarter revenue of 1,046 crores, up 32% year-on-year, and profit before tax of 168 crores. However, full-year revenue was up only 7%, and PATA saw a decline to about 700 crores. India Glycols reported fourth quarter revenue decline of about 7% to 863 crores. However, operating margins recovered to about 17%, driving a 50% rise in net profit. Industrials and infrastructure. Capacity Infra Projects reported fourth quarter standalone revenue of 594 crores and net profit of 50 crores. The auditor issued a qualified opinion regarding certain receivables. KPI Green Energy posted fourth quarter revenue of 578 crores, up 97% year-on-year, and profit after tax of 104 crores, up 142%. In auto ancillaries, JK Tyre posted a mild decline in full-year revenue. An operating margin declined from 14% to about 11%. The company reported double-digit volume growth in replacement markets and ongoing capacity expansion. In other news, Sambadana Motherson International's board will consider a bonus share issue on May 29th. That is it for today's Perivis Brief. If you found it useful, feel free to pass it along to someone who might too. See you tomorrow.